Hello, what's up, guys? This is Kevin from cryptoguysnews.com, and today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can trade crypto using BITSGAP. For those who don't know BITSGAP is a website that gives you automatic bots that you can use to trade your crypto. So trading crypto is hard, and when you use bots or robots to trade on your behalf, then it's hard to lose trades. So it is as you can see, it is a smarter way to automate your crypto trading. It actually automates your trading, your spot trading or other trading, but you use bots. So it's actually you set some bots so that they can trade on your behalf. So we say it's also the best crypto trading bots, as you can see: algorithmic orders, portfolio management, and free demo mode, all in one place. So when you sign up using the sign up button over here, there is also a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, because if you decide to sign up using that link, then I get a commission, or I get something small, which is at no cost to you. So in that way, you can support the channel, because I'm also giving you free tutorials on how you can use it and how you can use BITSGAP to trade your crypto. So when you sign up with the link in the description below, it will actually take you to this page, and in this page you'll find the button over here or over here. So you can just go and read, go along and read everything that is in this our landing page. And these are 7-day free trial with no credit card required. So they actually don't require your credit card. So, and you can try it in up to 7 days. So if you don't like it, then you can just put no credit card. But if you like it, then you can put credit card and go on. So the BITSGAP platform, which is a trading platform, it's trusted by 5,000 traders from BINANCE, OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, and 15 more. So 15 more. They support more exchanges. I'll show you how you can do that. And they have 4.5 out of 5 based on Trustpilot. So you see, out of 408 reviews, they have 4.5 out of 5 based on 408 reviews on Trustpilot. So that is a big number over there. And then watch your cryptocurrency investment grow. So from a powerful trading bots to smart orders, BITSGAP gives you an advantage in the fast changing world of crypto trading. So the trading bots, they do trade for you 24/7, and they are fully automated, and the setup is effective, back-tested grid and DCS strategies. So I'll also show you what grid and DCS strategies all mean. And you can also do some smart orders over here. Okay, you execute your trading strategy with a set of powerful algorithmic orders. So also you can trade terminal. Okay, so I'll also show show you step by step on how you can do that. And 500,000 traders worldwide is using BITSGAP, and 3.7 million bots have started so far, and $300 billion in trading volumes in the BITSGAP website. So what others say is over here. You can just read what other people say. You can see what the media, people who are in the media, like these guys, the two guys over here are YouTubers. As you can see, it's from YouTube. And people, these are people who have used BITSGAP and have given their reviews on Trustpilot. So these are from Trustpilot and this from media, and this is all if you want to read everything what has happened. So it is also easy and fast. A BITSGAP has no access to your funds and will never have. So what happens here is you have an exchange, and all your fiat currency, all your cryptocurrency is in your exchange. So BITSGAP just helps you to connect to the exchange through the bots, and then the bots trade on your behalf, but all your money, all your crypto will be on exchange. So as you can see, it says the platform executes trades while keeping all information entirely confidential. Okay, so it's very secure and it keeps all your information entirely confidential. So your funds are secure. BITSGAP does not have access to your exchange account and cannot withdraw your funds. So what they trying to say here is just they just use the bot to trade on your behalf. You'll actually set the bot by yourself, because if you sign up, then I'll show you how you can set up the bot so that the bot can trade on your behalf. So they're just telling you here that they do not have access to your money and BITSGAP just trade on your behalf. So API key is all you need. So what you do is that you link BITSGAP to your exchange. So if you have a Binance account, then you just link you just give your API key. You link your API key to BITSGAP, and then BITSGAP now will do everything for you using the bot. So, but you have to set up the bot, which I'll show you step by step on how you can do that. So connect your exchange using a secure API connection and get started. Fast trading servers. Our servers are located close to popular exchanges to ensure stable and fast order execution. Okay, so you can try it for free for 7 days. Then you can connect. You can sign up. You can connect a BITSGAP account with your exchange, and then you can start trading. Okay, so this is the landing page. Now when you click that link in the description, this is the landing page that you land in. So the performance, the platforms has trading bots. Okay, so the bots are automate your crypto trading with powerful bots, and that is 24/7. And this is a grid trading. You're told that profit from every market move. So what it does is just that it buys and sell crypto